Hi, this is Ruchi Srivastav here. Today I'm going to talk about automatic writing. Automatic writing to me is a kind of spiritualism. It's also known as spiritual writing. Through automatic writing, we try and connect with the divine, the spirit world, and try to channel information and guidance which helps us progress on our spiritual path. Whatever information comes is beneficial for us to lead a better life and raise our level of consciousness. So, we should never judge automatic writing. In fact, it is the simplest kind of connect which we can make with the spirit world. For automatic writing, also, you have some do's and don'ts. The do's are that before starting this process or learning to start this process, you have to find someone who is a qualified automatic writer. You have to take a protected link from that person because he or she is already connected to the spirit world. Your connect with the spirit world has to be through this protective link. So never practice automatic writing on your own. It is not permissible. Secondly, when you have to prepare yourself for automatic writing, you should calm your mind, you should start meditating, and you should start nurturing certain positivity and certain qualities like kindness, helping others, being detached, and having a very empathetic attitude towards the humankind, because all this will help you channel the information from the spirit world effectively, as everything is positive there. Like earth, where we have so much of negativity, in spirit world it's all positivity. So to channel that information also, we have to raise our level of consciousness and vibrations. It also helps us to connect with our loved ones who have crossed over to the other side. This kind of connection helps us heal and acts like a balm over our sorrows. This is also a guidance to progress on the spiritual path. We must always remember that this tool, automatic writing, should never be used for materialistic gains. Lastly, you need to really decide that whom you want to connect with, whether it's your spirit guide, whether it's your higher self, or whether it's a loved one who's crossed over. You should have faith in this process, and you should understand and give it your best. I hope this video helped you understand what is automatic writing. Again, I repeat, automatic writing is a kind of spiritualism. For it, you need preparation and you need a protected link. It's very dangerous to start automatic writing on your own. Please never do that, because you might attract negative energies. All we need is positivity around us. I have learned automatic writing from one of the best automatic writers in the country, or maybe in the world. She is Nan Umrikar. She is the one who's my mentor and who is my spiritual guide also. My experiences and the guidance which I got through automatic writing is captured in my book, Hold On to His Daman. Thank you.